Okay, just a quick update for you guys today on March 12th. First thing, I'm getting a ripe pepper right there, which is kind of cool. Well, ripening, but that's pretty cool. Then, another kind of cool thing, I got these from Amazon. They were only like $10 for 5 of them, so $2 a piece. They're cloth pots, which they seem to be like pretty tough. I'm gonna put down the thing and open it. Yeah, there it is. So it's 7 gallons. Pretty hard material. Seems reasonably heavy duty for what it is. Hi, Chloe. 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 She's ignoring me. But anyway, 7 gallons. Okay, last but not least, I have sprouts. It's up to 84 degrees in here, which is probably good to cool it down a little bit. The thermostat finally kicked in and turned off the power, which is good because it's the first time it's gotten above. Well, I've seen it get to 80. But anyway, I got a shishito right there that you can barely tell that's starting to sprout, and then another pepper right there. That's one of the ones I got from David Fortel. And then some spinach here and here, and a lettuce right there, and more lettuce there, and then pretty much all of the thyme and oreganos have all sprouted. Or sorry, not the oregano, I don't have oregano, basil. All the thyme plant, the thyme and the basils have all sprouted. So, getting there. Have a good day.